Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Open the Google app or install Google Lens as a standalone app from the store. Grant camera permission and microphone permission if prompted for voice search. Ensure your device has an active internet connection for link previews and translations. Position your phone 6 to 12 inches from the QR code to allow reliable autofocus. Clean the camera lens if you see blurry edges or glare on the code. Close other heavy apps to improve camera responsiveness during scanning. Point your camera steadily at the QR code and keep it centered on screen. Open Google Lens inside the Google app or tap the lens icon from your camera app. Wait 1 to 3 seconds for Lens to recognize the pattern and display a URL preview or action. Tap the URL preview or action badge to open a link, copy text, or add a contact. Use pinch to zoom if the code appears small or distant on screen. If Google Lens cannot read the code, increase lighting or change the camera angle. Move closer or farther by small increments until Lens captures the full square. Avoid reflective surfaces and torn or distorted codes that prevent recognition. Disable automatic URL opening in Lens settings if you want to preview links before visiting. Review app privacy settings to control data sharing and activity history.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.